All right, it's the morning before the Cadillac 87 Brougham goes to the vinyl roof shop. As I said, I cut the roof back farther so the patch I could go into the roof line farther. So basically it covers more than the rust hole, but I wanted to start where the weld was because I already indented there, fold it over, and then grind it all down and put a thin coat of filler just so it's all smooth. There's no real big gouges. That's actually just sunlight. That's not an indentation, just the sun from the window. Either way, it's come out quite good, and I think once the vinyl and the padding is on, it will never be noticeable. And on this side, as you know, I only had a little indentation, so I put a skim coat of mud there too. And of course I coated both sides with rust preventative coating so it will not re-rust. So it's grinded down to no rust, at least I try to do that. Then I coat the inside of the roof with this rust killer, and then I patch it, then I cover it again with more rust killer. So there's 2 coats on each layer, underneath and on top. So it should be good for quite a long time. I did all I could to grind. There's no rust left. Either way, this I think is a very acceptable way of repairing the weld rusting areas in these Cadillac Broughams. Because as you know from the first videos, you can see where the roof is welded on right through here, and that's where moisture gets in. So say goodbye to this old cracked top and say hello to a new roof starting tomorrow morning. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you down the road.